As a hotel operator, we have to make sure that the safety and well-being of our customers and our staff are paramount, especially with all the COVID regulations that are now in place. With hand hygiene, it's particularly important because obviously the touch sensitive areas, so like the door handles. With the wall mounted hand sanitisers, not everybody uses them. The PullClean door handles are brilliant in that respect because you can see them, so you walk out the door, you press the handle automatically, you dispense the hand sanitiser and away you go. I would say that's probably more effective than a hand sanitiser bottle on the side or on a wall because you wouldn't necessarily see it or know that it's there. As the head housekeeper, I have to go around and check the different areas, so the toilets, public areas. It's very evident that when I have checked toilets and I've seen people coming out, they're rubbing their hands, so it is evident that they are using it. That gives me peace of mind because I know that they are using the hand sanitiser, we are keeping the customers safe, and believe me, if they didn't like it, we'd hear about it. It's not just about the PullClean handle, it's the gel itself. The PullClean gel that we use is premium. It doesn't leave your hands sticky, it's got a nice fragrance, but it just is good to use. In my role as housekeeping manager, it's one less thing to worry about. It was easy to install, it's very easy to maintain. You just open it up and fit the cartridge in, it's done within seconds. The cartridge lasts quite a long time, so it's not something that we have to think of every day. PullClean is a fantastic product. I would highly recommend it.